Hello, good afternoon, girls. And today we discuss about the silent features of Indian direct and indirect tax structure. Direct taxes include taxes on income and property, whereas indirect tax cover taxes on commodities and services. Important direct taxes are income tax, corporate tax, and wealth tax. Important example of the indirect tax are VAT, service tax, excise duty, import duty, etc. And now we discuss the features of direct taxes. Before explanation of the direct tax, we want to explain the direct tax. Direct taxes belongs to a category of taxes which are paid by assessees themselves directly, and they are the ones who are responsible for the same. And now we discuss the features of the direct taxes. Number one, the direct taxes are confirmed liability for the taxpayers and for the governments also. They are the assured sources of revenues. Number two, second feature. It is a good measure for bringing down the prevailing disparities in income levels of different levels of society and also ensuring wealth distribution amongst masses. Third feature, flexibility is one of the important feature of direct taxes. Fourth, direct taxes may be used by the government as an instrument for enhancing its revenue by increasing the rates of direct taxes. Fifth feature, direct taxes are simple to calculate and comprehensible without any complications. And sixth feature, there is enough scope for evading direct taxes for the taxpayer. And last feature is the scope of direct taxes is restricted to specified groups of individual entities. As a result of such limited scope, they fail to encourage the culture of civic sense amongst all the groups. And types of direct taxes. Income tax, number one. Number two, wealth tax. Number three, gift tax. Number four, corporation tax. Number five, capital gain tax. And number six, expenditure tax. These are the types of direct taxes. And now we discuss the about the indirect tax. Government needs funds for the various purposes like the maintenance of law and order, defense, social health services, etc. Government obtain funds from the various sources out of which One main source is taxation. The indirect tax are those which the taxpayers pay directly while purchasing goods and commodities, paying for services, etc. Broadly speaking, indirect taxes are paid before the goods and services reach the taxpayer. Important indirect taxes are central excise duty, custom duty, sales tax, octroi, entry tax, service tax, expenditure tax, etc. Now, okay, girls.